Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord voice problem. So the first step you need to do is to open Discord. So once you open Discord, so here I'm in my Discord. You simply need to click on you and click on this gear icon. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see voice option. Click here and input mode. So select here and you simply need to select voice activity, and from here you need to select the volume to the top and soundboard volume to the top as well, and noise suppression is crisp. Okay, and all other options will remain the same, and after that your issue got resolved. But if you are still facing an issue, you need to go back and open Play Store and search for the Discord. Search here and update your Discord application, and after that your issue get resolved. So this is the process. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thank you.